So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about MRTX or Mirati Therapeutics, sitting at $11.31 up today. And yeah, I'm going to start from a little bit of a high time frame before I get any further though. Disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. So please do your due diligence. So talking about a 6 3 month chart, just so I can get a so I just so I can have a great understanding in what ranges we could be working. So in this situation, we're in a bullish 6 month range still, although we have been falling for the past 2 years down. Yeah, even from 2020, we started to kind of come and pick up lower. But now, like if I go weekly chart, we can see that we broke bullish right here on the weekly. It was the first break. We broke again to the upside. Never since then, we have been kind of moving to the highs. As you can see right now, we are looking for these highs to get cleared from these demand areas, and we actually cleared them out. And my personal opinion is either to just continue with this whole bullish move or to actually come down into some demand areas, then start to continue to go a little higher. So that's just my own thought and opinion. Obviously, not